Thanks everyone for joining in live. Wanted to let you know of a couple of things from the stock market news we've seen so far this year. So in 2022, the companies that got hit the hardest were the technology stocks. So some of the high flying names that we saw, some of the COVID stocks, pandemic stocks, those obviously got hit the hardest. But for most people, the surprising companies were companies like Amazon, Google, Microsoft, even Apple to an extent, really took a big hit in 2022. And what we've seen so far this year in 2023 so far has been a reversal of that. So the NASDAQ is up double digits. And what we've seen so far is some more optimism around those names. Amazon, Google, that were down 40 to 50% at times during 2022 are really starting to pick up steam and pick up momentum so far this year. Even though today the Federal Reserve announced that they will be raising interest rates by 25 basis points, that was to be expected. And so what we saw was a pretty sharp increase with the NASDAQ being up over 2%. So hopefully this can continue for this week because all of these companies, the majority of these companies will be reporting earnings. So we'll hear earnings reports from first and foremost Meta, um, and then Amazon, and also later on in the week we'll hear from Alphabet, or as many may know it as Google. So the results are in on Facebook. They came in about an hour ago and they were very positive. So the after hours market trading in Meta, it has that stock over, it's had stocks up over 18%. So hopefully the trend continues for these other large tech companies. It seemed like that was a pretty good buying opportunity for these tech companies when they were down that low. So it might not be too late to try to jump into these. Just be on the lookout for that for this year to see if that trend will continue and we can expect to see a good rebound in these stocks.